Look closely at how this material absorbs what is poured into it. Our bodies operate in much the same way. Every day, we encounter stress, anxiety, and emotional friction. Rather than simply passing through us, those experiences are recorded. The human body acts as a living ledger, actively storing emotional trauma deep within its tissues. Over time, that invisible weight demands physical space. Tissues contract, muscles brace. You might notice it as a persistent restriction in your breath, chronic digestive blockages, or a slow shift in your posture as your shoulders pull forward to protect your chest. The conventional approach to fixing these physical shifts is to fight them. Traditional body sculpting relies on what we call yang energy, applying intense external force, restrictive diets, and rigid discipline to physically wrestle the body back into a specific aesthetic. But this forceful, mechanical approach falls short. You can apply heavy external arrows of pressure to the outside, but if you ignore the subconscious, non-beneficial internal tapes that are actually driving the physical tension, the structural stress remains locked exactly where it started. You cannot sustainably reshape the exterior architecture of the body without first treating the emotional imprints trapped inside the tissues. To release those trapped imprints, we have to drop the forceful mechanics. We need to introduce an internal speed bump, a deliberate pause designed to slow the nervous system right down. This requires shifting into a yin state. Unlike the aggressive push of yang, yin is quiet, receptive, and allowing. It is a state of deep physical listening, activated through slow meditative breathing. As the breath deepens, a distinct signal travels through the body. It tells the nervous system that the threat has passed, that it is finally safe to stop bracing against the world. Achieving that deep biological safety is a non-negotiable prerequisite. Until the nervous system feels secure, the body will not allow its physical shape to reorganize. This understanding forms the foundation of quantum body sculpting. It uses an intermodal approach, seamlessly integrating the teachings of ancient healing modalities with precise, modern energetic practices. The physical preparation begins with guided meditative movement and conscious breath. The intention is to systematically open the 5 diaphragms, creating space within the core. We then apply sacral anchoring, locking in total stability from the spine downward. The breathwork and the anchoring provide the scaffolding. They prepare the biological architecture so it can receive the much deeper energetic clearing that comes next. With the body prepared, we move into the active energetic phase of the process, the quantum touch sweep. The practitioner drops all their awareness directly into the heart center. From there, they sweep pure life force energy to the area, moving from the bottom of the heart to the top and from back to front. By focusing this heart-led intention onto specific areas holding trauma, it creates a localized environment of unconditional love directly within the tissues themselves. That localized safety allows us to introduce the most complex tool in the process, timeline therapy. In timeline therapy, the practitioner actively guides the mind backward. The goal is to recall the fluid, completely unburdened movement and proportionate shape we experienced naturally as children. That specific memory functions as an original energetic blueprint. It reminds the adult tissues exactly how to exist without the heavy weight of trapped emotions dragging them out of alignment. By combining the localized safety of the heart sweeps with the chronological blueprint of childhood, the body receives the precise coordinates required to initiate a deep physical release. This is where the physical unwinding actually happens. Long-held tension patterns, the braced shoulders, the tight jaw, the guarded belly, finally soften. The tissues simply let go. And as the physical posture realigns, it dislodges the specific emotional memories that were locked deeply inside those muscle fibers. This is the moment where the memory and tension depart together. The ice doesn't just melt, it turns to vapor, leaving the body lighter. Physical posture and emotional baggage are inextricably linked. You cannot permanently shift the shape of one without actively releasing the other. When those old, non-beneficial internal tapes are finally wiped clean, the body enters a state of neutrality. It is a physical act of forgiveness, releasing the long-held conflict between your current shape and your original blueprint. Reaching this state redefines what body sculpting actually means. It is no longer about forcing the body into an aesthetic box. Instead, it is about actively bringing the physical form all the way back into resonance with the energy systems already surrounding it. Our truest natural proportions and structural balance are already there, encoded in the tissues. They re-emerge the moment we simply allow ourselves to heal from the inside out.